Welcome, dear children. So, I'm back again with another new story. Today, I'm going to tell you a story about a boy whose name was Bob. So, Bob wanted to go to the picnic with his brother Ben. So, he packed some biscuits, bun, and bananas in his backpack, and he was excited to have a ride on bullock cart and boat on the picnic spot. Bicycle ride was also available for all the kids there. So quickly he buttoned his shirt and wore a belt on his pants and boots on his feet. Then Bob and Ben both boarded the bus and reached to the picnic spot. They started playing with the ball. Bob swung the ball into the air, and the ball fell onto the sloping roof of a house nearby. Bob and Ben were very scared of losing their ball, but the ball came rolling down slowly like a bear. Then ball fell onto the ground and bounced Both Bob and Ben also bounced in joy. So children, this was my story to introduce the sound B. So let's once again quickly revise all the words which we learned in this story, which were starting with B. Are you ready? Let's listen to those words. Ben, Bob, bun, banana, biscuits, bag, bullock cart, boat, bicycle, button, belt, boots, bus, ball, bear. So children, now you all just roam around your house and find some more words which starts with B. So that's all for today, and we will meet now again in another video with some another sound. Till then, bye bye.